I need to make a phone call.
I need to do my homework.
Why do we say make a phone call?
Let's find out.
We often use do for activities, work, and tasks. Here are some examples. Do homework, do housework, do exercise. We often use make when we create or produce something. For example, make a phone call, make a cake, make a plan.
What are you doing this afternoon?
I need to do some exercise.
Good idea.
What about you?
I'm going to make a plan for our holiday.
That sounds fun.
Always remember, do means activity or task. Make means create something new. Let's continue.
What should we do this weekend?
We should make a list first.
Good idea.
Let's make a plan.
Then we can do the shopping.
Perfect.
What else do we need to do?
We need to do some cleaning.
Okay.
Notice. Make a list. Make a plan. We use make because we create them. But do the shopping. Do the cleaning. We use do because they are activities. Now let's try a quick challenge.
I want to... a cake.
Make a cake. I need to... my homework.
Do my homework. We should... a decision.
Make a decision. I need to... some work.
Do some work.
Great job. Remember, do homework, do exercise, do housework, make a phone call, make a plan, make a decision. Now tell us in the comments, what do you do every day? And what plans do you make? See you in the next Everyday English Explained lesson.